Hello everyone, my name is Alejandro and this is a new video of Swiss iPVision channel. In this chapter I'm going to show you our new brand lithium batteries IPV SK ES 48100. Yes, it's a new Trade Marc Swiss iPVision tools. And in this chapter I'm going to show you the sizes, the capacity, how to manipulate, how to charge it, how to discharge it, and how you can take this to your home. Stay in our video. Under in the description there is all this data sheet about the battery, and later if you want to contact us to have these batteries to you, remember that included in price is coming installation. It doesn't matter where. Right now I am in Italy and the storage of the batteries are in Spain. We install all over in Europe. Thank you.